Welcome to Hopwood Home Away from Home, where we help plan budget-friendly adventures for your family. We focus on theme parks, cruises, and outdoor adventure travel from all over the world. Our daughter has had a passport since she was 2, and we have visited 13 countries and multiple states so far. In 2021, we visited 21 Arkansas state parks, and we are enjoying 22 food trucks in 2022. Come and join us on our adventures, and be sure and like and subscribe so you won't miss anything. And remember, life's short. Take the trip. Ready to plan your own vacation? Contact us today for your free travel quote.